Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Start by opening Settings or System Preferences on Mac and tapping your Apple ID, then iCloud. Once there, locate iCloud Storage or Manage Storage and tap Change Storage Plan. This initiates the purchase flow. Make sure your payment method is current. Without a valid card or Apple ID balance, you can't complete the upgrade. If you use family sharing, verify whether you want to share the plan now. Next, pick a plan and proceed to the confirmation screen. Now compare plans, costs, storage amount, and whether you want family sharing. You choose 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB based on needs. Once decided, tap the plan and press Upgrade or Buy. The system prompts for authentication. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to authorize the charge. After authorization, you'll see a confirmation and billing details. Make sure to note the monthly cost and renewal date so you understand when charges recur. Once the purchase completes, verify increased storage in iCloud settings and confirm your devices are syncing to the upgraded plan. Move large backups or photos into iCloud and enable iCloud Backup or Photos to make use of the space. If you encounter errors, sign out and back into your Apple ID, confirm the payment method is valid, and retry. Often rebooting the device clears temporary issues. If problems persist, contact Apple support. But first, confirm your billing address and card details. Those are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.